Hey besties! As you could tell from the title of today's video, we are doing a quick unboxing from Born Pretty. And I'm very excited to show you guys the colors they sent over. So this is an All Shine On Me 6-piece gel set. And these are beautiful. It comes with the basic pamphlet as always, with your basic application, your removal, any frequently asked questions, and it has their socials on it. So starting off, we have BPCA01, 2, and 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. So this is the full collection in order. Oh, and I am a sucker for a good jelly. Most of you guys know this already, but look at that yellow. Look at how opaque it is. Well done, Born Pretty. Because to get a good opaque jelly color can be extremely difficult. Either that or it is not a true jelly. Like, it won't be completely transparent. Like, it will not look like glass like this. Oh, I love all these colors. A beautiful jelly orange. I am gonna use the heck out of these in some upcoming sets. Especially through October, I am doing a spotlight collab for Halloween. So there will be a new video released every weekend. So I will be swapping up the days that I do the content creators pick my nail designs, just because my spotlight collab videos for the Halloween challenges. Oh, look at that red. My goodness, look at that red. Seriously. One coat. Sheesh! Beautiful. Again, these are going to make for some great Halloween and fall nail sets. But the Spotlight collab videos will be uploaded every Saturday. So I don't want to be uploading Saturday and Sundays. So I will be swapping up the content creators pick my nail design videos. I will post what day I decide to upload those on the community tab. So be sure that your post notifications are on so you do get notified. And then sometime this week, I will be doing the giveaway announcement finally. And what's crazy to me, you guys, is that this was the 500 subscriber giveaway, and every day I just keep growing, and I am so blessed and so thankful for each and every one of you. Like, seriously, sincerely, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for each and every one of you who have decided to hit that subscribe button. I love and appreciate you all, and welcome to our nail bestie family. You will enjoy it here, I promise. I have gotten so many jelly colors that are like autumn themed this year. Between mystery boxes and PR, I am loaded to the max with fall colors. But hey, I ain't complaining because I love it. I was kind of lacking in that department, so I'm actually kind of glad that I have gotten all these beautiful fall colors. Just look at that. Like I said, I am a sucker for a good jelly. Just because it's so versatile. You can use it the way it is. You can add white to it to make it opaque. You can use it over like a nail design, like to give it that vintage kind of antique look, like when you edit your pictures and you give it that like golden brown hue. Do you know what I'm talking about? I hope you guys do. Like a black and white photo, but then you add that hue to it that makes it look like antique looking. I really want to do a nail design like that. Look at these colors. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to implement these into a nail design. You guys will definitely be seeing these. These are all 2-coated, and look at that. Beautifully done, Born Pretty. Once again, you guys never cease to disappoint me with your products. I have grown a great love for them over the time that I have been using them. I will again be sure to leave all this listed in the description as always, along with my discount code. So if you guys do want to check these out or pick them up, be sure to take advantage of that code. A huge thank you to Born Pretty for sending these over for me to test out. And I am very excited to be using these. Let me know what your guys' favorite color from this kit was. That's going to be a hard choice for me. I really like the red, but I really like that glitter one too. And I like that they put like the brown, deep brown, and like the blackish looking one. Absolutely stunning. But that is it for this one, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this quick unboxing. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next one.